5 days ago I put a bunch of tomato seeds into wet paper towels, into Ziplocs, and onto heat mats. I was surprised to find that almost every seed sprouted within 2 days. I've made some time to transfer the seeds over into trays filled with coco coir, perlite, and vermiculite, my preferred seed starting mix. Though less cost efficient, especially for bigger gardens, you can just buy bags of starting mix from the store. I'll gently pull the seeds off the paper towel and place them into each cell of this tray. These cells may look small, but they're fairly deep. To plant these guys, I make these impressions in the grow medium using a pen or a Sharpie. Place one sprouted seed in each cell and very gently cover it over. I repeat this for all 54 cells, and these starters will be moved into their own containers once I notice the roots have reached out the bottom of these trays. I'll keep them in these individual containers until it's time to transplant them into their permanent homes. After forgetting to label my varieties for multiple seasons, and having to play tomato roulette in the garden, I have an irrational fear of not knowing what variety I'm planting until fruiting. So I've started making sure I use plant labels right away. Now I'll just bottom water these trays to avoid washing the seeds away. Starting mixes can be quite hydrophobic, so it's better to allow the water to be absorbed into the mix rather than to splash down onto a dry seed mix. Now we should be okay to leave these for a while. In a couple days I may raise these trays up closer to the lights so that they don't have to reach for the light, thus becoming leggy. Alright, well, we're making some decent progress. I'll update you in a video in a couple days. Oh, you're still here? That's awesome. Thanks for following along on this project. If you missed the first couple videos in the series, maybe check them out to find out how we got to this point. This series will be tomatoes from seed to harvest, so expect video updates when there are things worth sharing. Maybe leave a like? Okay, bye.